30,000 to 50,000 rupees per month. Talk with proof. Receive a commissions on each sales. You can, friends, if I tell you it's possible to earn 30,000 to 50,000 rupees per month only by sharing links, and this work is very easy. It can do everyone from children to adults. Now, many will think that this is a clickbait video and I am lying to increase the views of the video. No need to worry guys, in this video I'll talk with proof. Friends, this app name is EarnKaro. In these applications, you will find many more products from some shopping websites. All you have to do here is you have to share the links of this product with your friends and family members and on your social media websites. When any product is sold through your link, you will receive a commissions on each sales. You can earn money from this app by using these ways. Here you can also earn by referring. So friends, in this video I will tell you how you can create your account in these applications, how to share the link here, how do you withdraw money. In this video I am going to give you all the detailed informations about this app. So watch the video completely. It's going to be very interesting. So before proceeding further in the video, give a like to this video, and those who have not subscribed to the channel yet, then subscribe to this channel now. So without wasting any more time, let's jump to this video and discuss these apps in step by step. Friends, you can find this application on the Play Stores. Install directly from here. When you first open the app, you will see a sign up page. From here, you must enter your email address or phone number to sign up. If you want, you can log in directly using your social media account. I am using the desktop for your viewing convenience and doing forward to the next step. No need to worry friend, you can do all these things from your mobile app. Guys, I have logged into my account and you can see that this is the homepage of the EarnKaro website. From here, you can earn by sharing your product links. As you can see, there is a huge list of products here. You can share your product links as much as you like. Here you will get up to 13.5% profit from these websites if you directly share the link of Flipkart products. Also, you share direct link of Azio, then you get up to 8% profit. So if you want to sell some special items to your friends, you will find many categories here. You can share your link as much as you want and earn from this website. See here, if I sell these headphones to my friends, I can earn flat 10 rupees. This way you can share cosmetics and home kitchen products among your friends. From here, you can earn only by sharing. If you settle financial deals through this app, you can earn up to 5,000 on each sales. Among those apps, you can earn maximum income by using these options. Suppose you sell SBI Bank credit card to your friends, then you get 2,000 rupees profit on each sales. If you follow here, you can see you can earn 3,500 rupees by selling an Access credit card. Let's show you how you can share your unique links from this website with your friends. If you want, you can directly copy and paste any links or share directly on WhatsApp. By clicking on profit rates, you can find out which websites are offering the best deals. Here you will find many shopping websites and deals. If you want, you can follow all the websites very well and you can earn more by sharing the links to the websites where your profit is more. If you want to sell your other products which are not listed on these websites, so you can create your unique profit link by pasting the product link directly on these websites. If you share these websites and apps with your friends, you will get 10% profit for a lifetime.